Hi, it's Tammy Hayes with Remax Palm Realty. This is just a quick video tip on how to use the app called Over. I use it for social media accounts. First of all, you want to download Over from the App Store. Then click on the Over icon to open it up. You want to click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. It's going to give you some different options: transparent, white, black, video, or an image. Today I'm just going to show you how to take an image and put your icon on it, or you can do writing on it. If you click the image button, you're going to get three different options. You can either do, the first one is photos. It'll take photos directly from your iPhone, your iPad, whatever you want to use. The second button is what's called Unsplash. Those are all free photos that you can use within this program. So they're not, you don't have to worry about copyright protection. And the third one is a site called Pixabay. Pixabay only allows certain free ones. They'll have a little ribbon at the top that'll say free on it. So unless you purchase the program for the pro version, you can't use the other photos, and it'll pop up an icon telling you that you need to use the pro version. I use the free version. I've used it for a long time. So I'm going to go to what's called Unsplash, and you can do a search. Since we're Remax Palm Realty, I'm just going to type in the word palm under the search button under Unsplash. And I'm going to get all different types of palm trees that are going to come up. So I'm going to pick one of these that is a palm tree. Okay, let's say I like this one. Now, if you're going to post something on Instagram, you want to do a square photo. So I'm just going to show you an example which looks good on Instagram or on Facebook too. I'm at the very bottom here. You can pick different sizes that you want it to be in. If you go to the very first one, it's a one-on-one picture, a one-by-one square. That's the one that I select for posting on Instagram or on Facebook. You hit the check mark, that okays that. Now, if you want to add some text on it, you can click the text button, and at the bottom, again, there's a pro version. It'll tell you which ones are pro, and then if it doesn't have the pro symbol in front of it, that means that it is okay to use for free. Okay, I'm going to just type in live. I don't like this one. I'm going to go to a different one. Once you type in your words, you can also change the words automatically, and I'll show you that in a minute. Live where the palm trees sway. Now, okay, that's kind of bold and fat. Maybe I want a different one. You can scroll through, and it'll automatically change it to the different fonts. Okay, I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to hit the check mark, and then it puts it on my screen. Now, you can either use it in that color, or you can actually, if you take your fingers, you can make it bigger, or you can make it smaller. You can also, at the very bottom, there's a style and a color. You can change the color of it. Let's say I wanted that to be a different color, like say green or red or blue. You can scroll across and pick what color you'd like it to be in. You can also pick how dark you want it. Okay, live where the palm trees sway. Now I'm going to hit the check mark so it'll accept that. Now you can leave it like that, or I usually add my logo to everything. So I'm going to go to my images, and what I have done, I'm going to go to photos. Those photos are photos on my actual device. So you can download them to your iPhone, your iPad, whatever you're using, and you can pick the actual, let's say I'm going to use the Remax Palm one, and it needs to be transparent. So I can show you later on how to make it transparent. Okay, I'm going to put Remax Palm on the little bottom, and then I'm going to hit the check mark. And if I like it the way it is, I'm going to hit the up in the right hand corner, you can go to Save to Photos. So if you click on that, it'll save it to your photos. Okay, now I'm going to just exit out of here, and I'm going to go to, let's just open up Facebook. And I can actually post it on Facebook. So I'm going to pick that photo, done, and I'm going to post it. Live where the palm trees sway, Remax Palm. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to use the program Over.